Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 restart automatically after shutdown. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type a power option. Comes up edit power plan, click on open it. Select power options. On left side select choose what the power button do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable, and you just need to uncheck this option guys, turn on fast startup and then select save changes option. And now you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the network adapter section and right click on your network adapter. If you don't know your network adapter name, then you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection, click on open it. Here you can able to see your connection. In my case I am using Ethernet. The network connection name, as you can see over here, Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. The same name, you just need to right click on it and select properties. Select power management tab and uncheck this option guys. Allow this device to wake the computer and then select OK to save changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under startup and recovery, select settings. You just need to uncheck this option guys, automatically restart, uncheck it and then select OK option, select OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just to copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. On right side you just need to find power down after shutdown. Power down after shutdown. Just double click on it and change this value data to 1 and click on OK. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart a PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.